Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Bereal account if you deleted your account. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here I have my Bereal account open up. If you like to recover your account, even if you deleted your account, then follow the steps. First, let me show you by deleting my Bereal account. To delete your Bereal account from the main home page, tap on your profile icon in the top right. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner from your profile page, and from the settings menu, tap on help at the bottom. Select contact us from the options. Now you will be able to see an option that says delete account at the bottom. Give it a tap, and right where you can see this screen, it says that after deleting your account, if you log in for your Bereal account within the 15 days, your account will no longer be deleted and you will be able to recover or restore your account. Let me first delete my account by tapping on yes, I am sure from this page at the bottom. Now once you deleted your account, you will be able to see this interface. If you want to restore your deleted account back again, simply go ahead and type in your full name, enter your birthday information. Make sure to enter the same birthday information that your previous account had. After you are done, tap continue. Select your country code and type in your phone number in the text box. Make sure to type in the same phone number that you had of your deleted Bereal account. Once you do that, tap the continue button. Now wait for the security code to arrive on your phone number. Once you receive it, paste it in here and you will be able to get back to your old deleted account on Bereal. That is how you can easily recover your Bereal account even if it was deleted. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.